A very chilly morning, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are good. So, students, what we are going to study? We are going to study my favorite chapter, the chapter number 7 of Geography. And what is the name of our chapter? Our country, India. Repeat after me. Our country, India. So beta, in the previous classes, we have already read about the neighboring countries. And how many neighboring countries are there? 9. So tell me the name. Afghanistan, Pakistan, Bhutan, Nepal, Myanmar, China, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh and Maldives. So बच्चे, we have already read about the physical division of India. So there is a physical division of India. The great mountains we have already read in the previous classes. These brown part are the it's the hilly part or the northern mountains are there. So and the another one is the northern plains. These northern plains are divided into 3 river systems: the Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra, and these are the Ganga's tributaries. So these northern plains are the rich in minerals. They have extremely agriculture productivity, and it is the densely populated region also. And the major tributary of Brahmaputra river, that is the Tista and Moron. So beta, the Ganga and Brahmaputra merge together before they reach in sea or a Bay of Bengal. They form a huge delta. It's called a Sundarban Delta. Iska some part is in India and some part is in Bangladesh. These are the delta, Sundarban Delta. And after that we have just already read about the Indian desert. This Indian desert lies in the west of Aravalli Hill. It is an undulated sandy plain covered with the sand dunes. This area receives very less rainfall and has a dry climate with the low vegetation cover. Now this is the Peninsular Plateau. Peninsular Plateau is a tableland. The plateau is said to be formed by the cooling of lava which erupted it out of volcano millions of years ago. These highlands are divided into the Central Highland and the Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau is a triangular landmass and it is also divided in the Western Ghat or Eastern Ghat. This is the yesterday homework. I hope you all have done. These are the 5 questions you have to do in your notebook. And now we are just going to read the coastal plains. So beta, just see in this. These are the coastal plains. The Peninsular Plateau of India has been stretched on narrow coastal strips. Beta, just clearly see in this. आप ये देखेंगे, this is the lower part of India. This Peninsular Plateau has been stretched on narrow coastal strips. ये narrow coastal strips है which are along to the Arabian Sea from the west side and the east from the east side, that is a Bay of Bengal. I am just pointing the cursor here. First of all, we are just going to read Western Coastal Plain. This is the part, just you can see in this. This is the part. This is the eastern coastal part and this is the western coastal part. Have you seen in this? This is the coastal plains. Okay. So have you seen this? The western plains lie between the Western Ghat and Arabian Sea, and the eastern Ghats from the Arabian Sea, it is a narrow plain. The northern part of coast is called Konkan coast. So now beta, this western coastal plains, western Ghats or western coastal plains, it is a narrow plain. The northern part of this coast is called Konkan coast. आपको यहाँ पॉइंट पे दिखाई दे रहा है. This part is called a Konkan coast. मुंबई से गोवा तक. This part is called a Konkan coast. So beta, this part is called a Konkan coast from Mumbai to Goa. While the southern part, this southern part is stretch is referred as a Malabar coast. यानी कि इसी को टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया. द अपर वन इज Konkan coast and the downward is Malabar coast. Now is the eastern part. That is it's run along the Bay of Bengal, wider than the west coast, and it is the northern part. It is called a northern circle. It is the northern circle. While the southern part is known as Coromandel coast. This southern part is called a Coromandel coast, and rivers such as Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. These are the, and it is also making the deltas on this coast. यानी कि ये deltas भी बना रही हैं. So the बेटा western side, western coastal plain पे there was a northern Konkan coast and Malabar coast. And in the eastern coastal plain, it is running the northern Sarkar or Coromandel coast, and the rivers such as Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri, these form a delta on this coast. In the second one, that is a island territories. Island territories, beta, first of all, what is that island? Island is a piece of land which is surrounded by water from all sides. यानी कि जो piece of land चारों तरफ से वाटर से घिरा होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ आइलैंड. हैव यू गॉट दैट? आपने बहुत बारी पढ़ा है आइलैंड के बारे में भी. सो लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड इज अ ग्रुप आर लोकेटेड इन द अरेबियन सी. बेटा लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड कोई एक आइलैंड नहीं है, इट्स अ ग्रुप ऑफ आइलैंड. ओके, क्लोज टू द मालाबार कोस्ट, दिस इज डॉट इज अ आइलैंड. दिस इज द लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड्स ग्रुप आर लोकेटेड इन द अरेबियन सी. ये अरेबियन सी में है. इट इज़ क्लोज टू द मालाबार कोस्ट. मालाबार कोस्ट के पास है ऑफ केरला. ठीक है. दिस ग्रुप ऑफ आइलैंड is composed to be small coral island. Okay, this group of coast in the coral island. What is that meaning of coral? So skeleton of tiny marine animals on the ocean floor. This is the skeleton. Skeleton means हड्डियाँ, यानी कि जो tiny marine animals होते हैं उनकी हड्डियों से ये कोस्ट बना हुआ है, ये आइलैंड बना हुआ है. That is why it's called a small coral island. Earlier they were known as Lokadive Minicoy Island. इसे पहले क्या कहा जाता था? लाकाडाइव और मिनिकॉय आइलैंड, बट वर रीनेम्ड एज अ लक्षद्वीप. देन आफ्टर दैट इसका नेम क्या चेंज हुआ? लक्षद्वीप. They cover a small area of around 30 square kilometers. This island group has great diversity of flora and fauna. बेटा flora and fauna is a vegetation. आप इसे कह सकते हो कि ये एक natural vegetation है, पेड़ पौधे कह सकते हो आप इन्हें. फ्लोरा एंड fauna आपको large variety मिलेगी. Then after that Andaman and Nicobar Island. Andaman and Nicobar Island. These are the chain of islands. Have you seen this? Andaman and Nicobar यहाँ पे आपको दिखेगा अगर दूर से दिखे तो. These are the, ये पिक्चर में आपको देखिए ये ब्लू दिख रहा है, that is the Andaman and Nicobar Island. So this is the chain of island located in Bay of Bengal. They are bigger in size and are more numerous of scattered and compared to the लक्षद्वीप. यानी कि लक्षद्वीप से कहीं बड़ा और कहीं सारे बहुत सारे इसमें अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड्स में आपको मिल जाएंगे आइलैंड. So the entire group of island is divided into two broad categories, Andaman and North and Nicobar in South. बेटा अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड्स यानी कि यहाँ पर भी आइलैंड्स को दो कैटेगरी में बांटा गया. The upper one, see this beta, This upper one is called a Andaman and the downward is called a निकोबार, यानी कि साउथ वाला निकोबार है एंड अप वाला अंडमान है. देयर इज अ ग्रेट डाइवर्सिटी ऑफ फ्लोरा एंड फौना इन ग्रुप ऑफ आइलैंड टू. दिस आइलैंड लाई क्लोज टू इक्वेटर, यानी कि ये कहाँ पर है, इक्वेटर के नियर बाय है. एक्सपीरियंस इक्वेटर क्लाइमेट हैज़ अ थिक फॉरेस्ट कवर, यानी कि यहाँ पर ये इक्वेटर के पास है तभी यहाँ पर गर्मी ज़्यादा होती है और आफ्टर दैट यहाँ पर फॉरेस्ट भी बहुत हैं. गॉट इट. नाउ वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द पॉलिटिकल डिवीजन ऑफ इंडिया. अभी तक हमने क्या पढ़ा था, इंडियन डिवीजन ऑफ इंडिया, फिजिकल डिवीजन ऑफ इंडिया पढ़ा था. नाउ वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू अ पॉलिटिकल डिवीजन ऑफ इंडिया. In this political division, beta see this, India has, have you seen it, a vast country, and for the easy administration and control of the people living in country, it has been divided into smaller territories known as state and union territories. बेटा इतने सारी जगह अगर कोई ऐसा डिवीजन नहीं होता तो क्या सभी एक ही पर्सन या कुछ ही लोग पूरे इंडिया पे कंट्रोल कर पाते, नहीं. सो इसको इजी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन बनाने के लिए ये इसको स्टेट्स में और यूनियन टेरिटरीज में डिवाइड किया गया. द डिफरेंस बिटवीन स्टेट्स एंड यूनियन टेरिटरी is that states have their own respective state government while union territories are directly under the central government. हमने civics में पढ़ा है ना, there is a central government and state government. So what is the difference between state and union territories? बेटा स्टेट की अपनी खुद की गवर्नमेंट भी होती है, लाइक पंजाब की गवर्नमेंट अलग है, उत्तर प्रदेश की गवर्नमेंट अलग है, राजस्थान की गवर्नमेंट अलग है. लेकिन जो यूनियन टेरिटरीज हैं, दिल्ली इज कम अंडर अ यूनियन टेरिटरी. उस पर किसका कंट्रोल होता है, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का. ठीक है, दिल्ली इज अ कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया ऑल्सो एंड इट इज़ अ यूनियन टेरिटरी ऑल्सो. यूनियन टेरिटरी पे डायरेक्टली किसका कंट्रोल रहता है, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का. दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन यूनियन टेरिटरी and states, union territory and states. So beta basically this map you have to fill in your map. आप बाज़ार से मैप लेंगे, इंडिया का पॉलिटिकल मैप, ठीक है, और उसको यहाँ पर उसको ऐसे मार्क करेंगे. ठीक है, मार्क करने के बाद आप उसको अपनी नोटबुक में पेस्ट करेंगे. ठीक है, ज्योग्राफी की नोटबुक में पेस्ट करेंगे. नाउ बेटा इंडिया हैज़ 28 स्टेट्स. आपकी बुक में 29 लिखे हुए हैं, ये पुरानी बुक के अकॉर्डिंग है, पुरानी प्रिंटिंग के अकॉर्डिंग है. इंडिया हैज़ अ 28 स्टेट्स और 8 यूनियन टेरिटरीज. These states were formed based on local affinity language. बेटा हर स्टेट की अपनी लोकल लैंग्वेज है. लाइक पीपल हु आर लिविंग इन पंजाब दे स्पीक पंजाबी, who are living in Gujarat they speak Gujarati, and commonality of culture in this region. और हर एरिया के अकॉर्डिंग उनका अलग कल्चर है, अलग लैंग्वेज है. A look of map in this, a look of map above show that the state are different sizes. आप देख रहे हैं हर स्टेट का क्या है, different sizes है. some are very small, some are very large, some are medium. So they are mixed type of topography within the state. They have different number of people living in them and have a different culture and different festivals also. They all have their government in one of the city which is called a capital city. So बच्चे there is a 28 states and 8 union territories. You have to fill the map and paste in your notebook. बेटा आप इसमें sketch color use नहीं करेंगे, use only pencil colors. It is very important. So बच्चे your chapter is complete now. So this chapter is complete now. I hope you understand it better. Keywords you have already done. So in today class we are just going to discuss exercise questions. बेटा this choose the correct you have to do in your notebook. आपको आपकी नोटबुक में करने हैं, बट एज अ वन वर्ड क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. नो नीड टू राइट ऑल द ऑप्शंस, और सारे ऑप्शंस लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो शैल वी स्टार्ट. नेपाल एंड भूटान आर लोकेटेड टू नॉर्थ ऑफ इंडिया. नेपाल एंड भूटान कहाँ पर है इंडिया के नॉर्थ में. श्रीलंका इज सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम इंडिया बाय विच स्ट्रेट. पाक स्ट्रेट. द नॉर्थ साउथ एक्सटेंट ऑफ इंडिया इज 8 degree 4 north to 37 degree 6 north. Standard meridian time of India, that is बेटा 82.5 डिग्री ईस्ट भी कह सकते हो आप इसे, 82.30 डिग्री ईस्ट भी कह सकते हो. काराकोरम रेंज इज अ पार्ट ऑफ ग्रेट हिमालयाज. पीर पंजाल रेंजेस are the part of lesser Himalayas. Smaller hill ranges of the northeast are Garo, Khasi, Jayantia, all of these. So ये तीनों ही hills तो हैं वहाँ पर smaller hills. So that is all of above. सुंदरबन, अच्छा बेटा इसमें आप all of above नहीं लिखेंगे, आप इसमें गारो, खासी, जयंतिया ही लिखना, ठीक है, क्योंकि हम ऑप्शंस नहीं लिख रहे हैं ना. सो आपने स्मॉलर हिल रेंजेस ऑफ नॉर्थ ईस्ट आर गारो, खासी एंड जयंतिया, ये आप तीनों लिखेंगे. सुंदरबन डेल्टा इज फॉर्म्ड बाय रिवर गंगा एंड ब्रह्मपुत्र. गंगा एंड ब्रह्मपुत्र. सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज शेप ऑफ द डेक्कन प्लेट्यू इज ट्राइंगुलर. हाईएस्ट पीक ऑफ वेस्टर्न घाट इज अन्नामुदी. ये देखिए मैंने शायद यहाँ पर मार्क भी किया है. दिस इज द पीक, हाईएस्ट पीक अन्नामुदी. दिस इज द अन्नामुदी. The 11th is northern part of the western coastal plain is known as Konkan coast. The question number 12, southern part of eastern coastal plain is known as Coromandel coast. Andaman and Nicobar Island are located in the Bay of Bengal. Now come to the fill in the blanks. India occupy only dash percentage of world land area. The answer is 2.4%. The Indian Standard Time is 5 hours and 30 minutes for prime meridian. Kailash range is located in dash. It is located in Tibet. The Indian desert lie to the west of dash hills. The answer is Aravalli. The Central Highland are wider in dash but narrow in dash. The Central Highland are wider in the west, west side से wider है, and narrow कहाँ पर है, east में. Now come to the true or false. Every 1 degree longitude make a difference for 4 minutes of local time. Yes, that is true. The height of Great Himalaya is around 4,000 meters of above the sea level. Yeah, no, it is wrong. False. कितना मीटर है? 8,848 तो माउंट एवरेस्ट की, यानी कि above the 8,000. कुल्लू मनाली is a part of lesser Himalaya. That is true. Jhelum river is a tributary of Ganga river. False. Lakshadweep Island is a group of coral island. That is true. Andaman and Nicobar Island are located in the Arabian Sea. That is false. अंडमान निकोबार कौन से सी में है? बे ऑफ बंगाल में आ रहा है वो. India has a 27 states. That is also a false. So बच्चे, this is the match the following. बेटा match the following आपने arrows नहीं बनाने. It is very clearly आपने arrows नहीं बनाने. You have to write in the front of right answer in the front of this. Like Andaman and Nicobar Island is in Bay of Bengal. Lakshadweep Island is in Arabian Sea. Malabar coast western coastal plain, Coromandel coast, eastern coastal plain, Shivalik, southernmost range, lesser Himalayas hill station, great Himalayas highest peak. This beta, again I'm saying it is very important to watch this video, because it is very important to understand this chapter. You have to watch full video at least thrice. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे हैं जो अभी भी वीडियोस नहीं देखते. सो अगेन आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स, बच्चे आप वीडियो ज़रूर देखिए. इफ़ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम इन अ पर्टिकुलर वर्ड, you can use the dictionary. If you don't have dictionary, just go through the Google and check the meaning of that word. Okay, this work you have to do in your notebook, in a geography notebook. Use only black and blue pen only. Write the question with the black pen and answer with the blue pen. Got it? I hope you understand this video and like this video. So thank you so much students for watching this video.